So any website, the very important thing is called SEO title and description. So how much important role play for SEO title and description? Now you can see here, I'm selecting for incognito window, nothing but private browser. Here no cookies will be copied and anything will be not stored. So in this one, any search results, to check the proper results, go for incognito window. To check the proper title and description and proper position of your website. Now I'm searching for digital marketing company in Madhapur. I'll give search one keyword, digital marketing company in Madhapur. Any Google search results, they display total 20 search results. In this, by default will be mapping will be 3, the SEO will be 10, 30 will be default. They are based on the search, they're showing for your ads. The ads will be header 4, footer 3. So this is a depend on your search the keyword. So here, this should display how many mapping? 3 mapping. Then organic search. First one will be Jezreel, Suleika, Varahi, Indeed, Expedia and Shoot Order. These are the website. Any ads will be here? No ads. I'm searching for Hyderabad. What is the first website? Shoot Order, Clash Dot, Purple, Syntax, Your Story, Infinity Reach, Emblix, so everything. Any ads are there? No ads. I'll show one thing. What's the title and the keyword? Digital marketing company in Madhapur. Now, what is showing here? Digital marketing companies in Madhapur. Companies and a company. Companies and a company is a match keyword by the relevant. Second thing is digital marketing companies in Madhapur and Hyderabad. Digital marketing services in Hyderabad. See the description. So what are the title you mention the keyword? They will be matched on your title and description. See this. Company, services, agency. The 3 are same keywords. Training, course, class, institute. 4 are similar keyword. Your search will be depend on similar keywords. Movie news, film news, cinema news. 3 will be same. Movie news, film news, and cinema news. I can see this is a company in Hyderabad. What the option is called? Company. What the matching keyword is a digital marketing company. And what is the here? Digital marketing agency. What that? Digital marketing company. And digital marketing company. See, always you can focus by the title and description. Agency. Now see. Next. Kondapur. Companies in Kondapur. Companies in Kondapur. Customer company in Hyderabad. Here, what is the major keyword is digital marketing company. So in this, what is my major keyword is this one. This always you can promote by your particular title and description. What are the mention your location? The common keyword is customer company, agency and services. So indeed, what are the customer jobs in Kondapur. So they will promoting where location Kondapur and digital marketing targeting. Match or not? Digital marketing and Kondapur. In this, each and every word is important to promote the keyword. So location, jobs, and what is that? Digital company in Kondapur and digital marketing technology solution partner. What is that? Service. Now will be company digital marketing and digital marketing services and digital marketing. Anywhere you have matched for your particular title, that will be depend on your place, depend on your keywords. Company they're looking for job holders also. They're providing for job also. Anything, any keyword, the based on your working on the particular keyword by search place and the keyword. Two is very important. Now coming to your restaurants in Kondapur. What is the first one? Top 10 best restaurants in Kondapur. What are my common keyword? Restaurants in Kondapur. Kondapur restaurant and Hyderabad. Best restaurant near me in Kondapur. Top 10 best restaurant near Minerva Grand, Kondapur. Restaurant and Kondapur matching or not? The matching for title and description. What are the title you mentioned? This will be same matching on your description. Is a mandatory field. What you mentioned for title, the mandatory field mentioned by your description also. So this one, just dial restaurant bar in Kondapur. What my target is restaurant and Kondapur. Suppose you're searching for family restaurant. Salsa Grand family restaurant. These are the mappings. See this restaurant in Kondapur. Restaurant Kondapur. Why? Is a matching for Kondapur and restaurant. So in a digital marketing, important is a digital marketing company is important, digital marketing service important, digital marketing agency. Same like important is called restaurant and Kondapur. See this. Is it clear? What are the mention on your before after? The first of all, the important call your main location and your place. This is a category of restaurant. Place will be Kondapur. So if I'm searching for Kondapur restaurant, they're showing for Madhapur. Is the correct answer? Not a correct. So coming to this one, I'll go for Madhapur. See Madhapur restaurant and so clear. We're showing for Madhapur, 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 Madhapur. We were showing for Kondapur. Now I'm showing for Madhapur. So what are the area you're promoting? Each and every area we can writing for particular title and a particular description. This is very important in each and every news. Now coming to movie related. I'm searching for movie news. I'm not mentioning anything. I'm searching only for movie news. What's the first website? Screen Rent, Cinema, Blend, CBR. Now, I'll go for Telugu movie news. First one, Tubaki, Gult, One to the Telugu, and Samyam, and Filmy Beach. In this Telugu, I'm replaced by the Hindi. Now about the Times, Bollywood News, Rediff.com. So movie news will be common website, Telugu is a common website, and Hindi will be common, English will be common. But search will be different of websites. Any keyword to mention any particular place or particular area, the website will be different always. So we have to promote all areas can come promote by the particular keyword. Is it clear? These are very important on your particular things. Based on your category, the news will be promoted by the particular things. Suppose you are promoting for Telugu video, you say Hindi movie, is correct? There is no use. Suppose you are posting by Telugu video, you say for Hindi video, this is called black ad SEO. Your video is different, title is different. Is it totally generating for wrong traffic? Generating for wrong traffic. You're generating traffic, but no use. The finally is your website will be spam. You think as your website will be spam. So that is called you're always generating for white hat SEO. That is what is your website, and same will mentioned by the title and the description. Now I'll explain here how we'll be writing for title. In title understanding, we're writing for 60 will be best. Up to we can writing for 70 characters. We'll write for 300, display by the 160 characters. This will be 25 words in keyword. 200 character will be new keywords. If anything doubts, simple selecting for in your Google SEO title length. They're showing for 50 to 60. The better one is the 50 to 60. But we'll write exceed up to 70. Suppose you're writing for more than 70 characters. What happened? So that will be showing for like this. Dot dot dot. They display how many characters only for 60 character. Suppose you're writing for 55. Next character will be 10 characters. The display only for 55. Your character will be 58. Next one will be 10. The display up to for 58 characters. So it will be 55. Next one will be another 10. The display up to 65 characters. Depend on the next characters. Is it clear? This will be writing for see this. And exact title writing up to 60 is a better one. 60 is a better one. Is a very important. Next one. Description length. Up to 192 pixel. What is the best one? 158 characters. But we are writing for up to how many? 300. They display only for 160 characters. But best one is called exact. You can finish by 160 characters. More than 160, they showing for your like this middle dot, where your option will be there. The based on description, the description will be shown. This is a very important point of SEO title and description selection. Now, I'm selecting one website. SEO title description uploading two process. One is static, second will be dynamic. And any company in a static, they're using cPanel. For dynamic, using for admin panel. But any company, they're providing for admin access to any users. But in any static website, they're not providing for cPanel login. So what are the things? You make it a notepad, writing for title description, send to the developer, is updating for cPanel. Is updating for cPanel. So how to update for static and dynamic now will be discussed. First one I'll show for dynamic website. Any dynamic, first login admin panel. The dynamic will be two types. One is PHP, second will be WordPress. One is PHP, second will be WordPress. Login admin access. Go to YouTube. I don't have any content in my website. I'll make the video by which way? YouTube to my website. Now coming to this. I'm writing for this title. In this title, I'm writing from description. In the description to this Manmadu to Telugu movie, Ilias back-to-back teaser, I mentioned for Telugu movie. And in this description, you're writing for cinema teaser, film trailer, movie news, film updates, and reviews and public response. Latest movie news, latest Telugu movie news, latest movie updates. These all keyword matching for your title and description. Copy the title, select your admin, video, add new post, select your title, add your category, what's your title and SEO title, same. In this, you're writing for teaser, film, trailer, and a description, trailers, and teasers. Trailers and teasers. SEO title always you can divide by the pipe symbol. Description, I'm same using for keyword. Video will be selected for where? By YouTube. What are the video you can update? The node will be same on your website. Now click for submit. Now clear. Go to this, refresh, check on your title on your option. Is it clear? This will be people can easily understand your option by using title and description. They will be using for your backend, writing for title and description. See, this is a title and go into your description. Is it clear? This will be where you can update by searching the results. They update on your the movie to promote by the search engine to optimize your based on your description and title. Any website to promote to major important title and description. Title, next will be coming to your description. Is it clear? This is called very important on particular website.